When the bass slide, that city lights up. Low high, lights up like boom, 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 boom. Put your hands up. Let's go.
This is iPhone 13. To tell you more, here's Cayenne.
Look at iPhone 13, starting with design. It has the sleek, flat-edge design that people love. It's also incredibly durable with our exclusive ceramic shield front, tougher than any smartphone glass, and has industry-leading IP68 water resistance. iPhone 13 has a new look for the advanced dual camera system with the lenses arranged diagonally. The aerospace-grade aluminum frame is beautifully formed and really shows off 5 new colors: an all-new pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and product red. On the front, the TrueDepth camera system has been re-engineered to provide more display area. Everything inside, including Face ID, the most secure facial authentication in a smartphone, fits into a space that's 20% smaller. iPhone 13 is designed with the environment in mind, using many recycled materials. For example, these antenna lines use upcycled plastic water bottles, an industry first. Under the hood, iPhone 13 has been completely re-architected to make room for new technologies and a bigger battery. This beautiful design is the same across 2 sizes, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Both feature a more advanced Super Retina XDR display. It's 28% brighter, up to 800 nits, brilliant for viewing even when you're outside. For HDR content like photos and videos, the peak brightness is higher at 1200 nits. And you can enjoy the pixel precision brightness for longer thanks to the display's improved power efficiency. You'll see true blacks in games, photos, and videos with the incredible contrast ratio of our OLED display. This new brighter Super Retina XDR display delivers an immersive viewing experience with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG. Now let's talk about the chip that powers iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Frankly, the competition is still playing catch-up to our chips, not just from last year, but even from 2 years ago. And today, we're extending our lead with A15 Bionic. Here's Hope to tell you all about it. Our silicon is the engine of iPhone. With A15 Bionic, we have innovations across the entire system to deliver more performance and power efficiency. At its foundation, A15 uses 5nm technology, which enables us to include nearly 15 billion transistors. You'll absolutely fly through demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently, thanks to a powerful new 6-core CPU with 2 high-performance and 4 high-efficiency cores. We've increased the performance of our CPU's dedicated machine learning accelerators that power experiences such as advanced text-to-speech in Siri and on-device processing of directions in Maps. It's the fastest CPU in any smartphone, up to 50% faster than the leading competition. For graphics-intensive tasks like advanced games, A15 Bionic features our latest 4-core GPU, enabling more eye-catching visuals and lighting effects. It delivers up to 30% faster graphics versus the leading competition. And we continue to push the limits of machine learning with the new 16-core neural engine that is perfect for ML tasks. It's capable of an astounding 15.8 trillion operations per second. We designed our neural engine together with our camera hardware and software teams. This unique vision and integration brings to life leading capabilities in video and image processing. This means faster ML computations for experiences like live text with iOS 15. Point your camera at text on the go and instantly take action, like buying tickets or getting directions. The ML advancements across our entire chip will empower developers to do even more in their apps, like Swing Vision, which can smoothly run powerful core ML and AR models on A15 Bionic for real-time shot tracking, video analysis, and remote coaching. Peak Visor helps you navigate the outdoors to identify mountains and explore detail-rich 3D maps while hiking. And Seek uses a machine learning model trained by over 20 million photos to instantly identify plants and animals around you. And all the processing is done on device. A15 is a powerhouse. In addition to core performance improvements, there's a new display engine, new video encoder and decoder, and twice the system cache. There's nothing in the world like this chip. Back to Cayenne. A15 Bionic also powers the amazing camera system on iPhone 13. It combines our powerful cameras, next-generation image signal processor, and computational photography to create our most advanced dual camera system. The all-new wide camera lets you take stunning shots in any situation, like this photo, full of color and texture. It gathers 47% more light for less noise and brighter results in your photos and videos. This is enabled by larger 1.7 micron pixels that capture more light and a wide f1.6 aperture. It's the biggest sensor we've ever put in our dual camera system. iPhone 12 Pro Max introduced an amazing advanced technology, sensor shift optical image stabilization. And incredibly, we are bringing this to iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Here's a low-light photo from the new wide camera with sensor shift OIS. The larger sensor captures nearly 50% more light. Hard to believe that this photo was taken in a dark room with just a little light coming through a window. Night mode shots are even more impressive. Capture times are shorter too, for sharper images of your subjects and fine details. We've also custom designed a new ultra-wide camera that will reveal more of the dark areas with less noise, like you see here in the walls and ceilings. Capturing fun, creative perspectives is easy with the ultra-wide, and now it's even better on iPhone 13. Now let's switch to video. iPhone already has the highest quality video in a smartphone, and iPhone 13 brings a brand new feature, cinematic mode. Now over to Johnny to tell you more.
Filmmakers have used focus changes to tell engaging stories for decades. It's a technique called rack focus that requires skill, planning, and creative vision. You've seen rack focus used in all your favorite films. It brings a whole new dimension to storytelling. Well, we're bringing this capability to iPhone in a simple and intuitive way so you can capture cinema-style moments even if you aren't a professional filmmaker. And guess what? The movie clip you just saw was shot on iPhone, and we'd love to show you more. It's remarkable and so easy to use. Just start recording, and cinematic mode will hold focus on the subject, even when they're moving. Focus transitions happen automatically in real time, like from one subject to another. Cinematic mode anticipates when a subject is about to enter the frame and intelligently racks focus to them when they do. And when a subject gazes away from the camera, iPhone itself changes focus, and then back. To create these automatic focus changes, we extensively studied the art of cinematography and the creative choices directors of photography make to guide the viewer's attention. We combine these learnings with computational algorithms so you can effortlessly create cinema-grade videos. For more creative control, you can tap to shift focus at any time. Tap again to lock and track focus on the subject. Cinematic mode shoots in Dolby Vision HDR. This is enabled by our Apple custom sensor and the incredible power of A15 Bionic, which grades each frame in Dolby Vision live while you are recording. And that's cinematic mode. Now, back to Cayenne.
iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini have advanced new camera systems with sensor shift OIS, fantastic low-light performance, and cinematic mode, also on the front TrueDepth camera. Next, let's turn to 5G. Millions and millions of iPhone users are already experiencing 5G every day for super fast downloads and uploads, lower latency, and new experiences on the go. And on iPhone 13, we've innovated further on custom design antennas and radio components that let us add more bands, so iPhone 13 works on 5G with the latest speeds and in more places. The world is moving quickly to 5G. We're collaborating with more carrier partners for the best call quality, performance, coverage, and battery life. By the end of the year, we will double 5G support to over 200 carriers in 60 countries and regions. That means you can benefit from 5G in more places than ever. To binge watch your favorite shows together using SharePlay on Apple TV+. And even more streaming partners for video and music. You can be ultra competitive in multiplayer games, share surprise greetings from a celebrity in high res over Cameo, or take the sound at any live event to a whole new level with Mix Halo. 5G is taking over, and iPhone 13 is ready with the best 5G experience. Now let's talk about battery life, which is really important to our users. iPhone 13 has a faster chip, faster 5G speeds, a brighter OLED display, and the most advanced dual camera system ever in an iPhone. And with all these new capabilities, the iPhone 13 lineup has better battery life. On iPhone 13 mini, most users will experience an hour and a half longer in their day than with iPhone 12 mini. And on iPhone 13, 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 for incredible all-day battery life. This amazing battery life is delivered by A15 Bionic, more power-efficient components, a bigger battery, and power optimizations from our deep hardware and software integration. Like Smart Data Mode, which intelligently conserves battery life by automatically shifting your iPhone to LTE when 5G speeds aren't needed. We also look at every opportunity to improve privacy. With iPhone and iOS, privacy is built in from the beginning. With iOS 15, Siri uses on-device speech recognition, meaning your Siri audio requests do not leave your iPhone by default. Intelligent tracking prevention now prevents trackers from profiling you using your IP address. And mail privacy protection hides your IP address and prevents senders from learning about your mail activity. Another huge benefit of owning an iPhone is the vast ecosystem that extends what iPhone can do. That includes MagSafe, which we introduced last fall and has been a hit. From multi-chargers and swiveling charger stands to cases, wallets, tripods, and car mounts, along with our own accessories for charging, like the MagSafe battery pack. For iPhone 13, we have leather, silicone, and clear cases in stunning new colors and engineered to work perfectly with MagSafe. We also have a new MagSafe leather wallet that supports Find My. You can now be notified of the last known location where your wallet was separated from your iPhone. iPhone 13 is loaded with new technologies, including cinematic mode, A15 Bionic that's faster than the competition, our most advanced dual camera system with sensor shift OAS, longer battery life, 5G, and so much more. With all this, iPhone 13 still starts at just $699. We also have some fantastic offers from Apple and our partners, including up to $700 off in the US when you trade in a qualifying iPhone. And we're increasing the starting capacity to 128 gigabytes for double the storage and adding a new 512 gigabyte option. iPhone 13 is impressively powerful. Let's see it in action.
We are so excited for iPhone 13. With all of its power and capability, we can't wait to see what our customers will do with it. And we're not done yet. We can't wait to see the impact they're sure to have on our users' lives. Now, let's talk about iPhone. iPhone has forever changed the world. Every single day, people rely on iPhone, from their most demanding tasks to capturing the moments of their lives, streaming their favorite TV shows, playing their favorite games, staying up to date with the news of the world, and connecting with friends and loved ones. This is what drives us to create the best iPhone possible. To create an experience unlike any other, with legendary ease of use, beautiful and durable designs, with water resistance and great battery life, with industry-leading performance and the world's most advanced camera systems, and with privacy built in. People love iPhone to enrich people's lives and to empower them to do great things every day and even more fun to use. Thank you for joining us. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our next generation of iPhone. Here it is,